remember those days, those L's. I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge.
Looking for answers I can't find.
It's 2020 and this is my first video of the year. I passed my personal training course, which is amazing. I'm so happy about it. I'm so excited for this year because of that reason. Oh god, so much has happened. So I've created an 8-week fitness plan. That's what me and Liam are doing at the moment. We are testing out the plan, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work, seeing what I need to switch out. I'm currently on the second day. I'm going to train legs today, but yesterday's workout was a killer. I am absolutely aching, let me tell you that one. And it's only day 1 of aches. Tomorrow the DOMs will probably get worse. But I'm excited. Just about to prepare our meals. For the pre-workout, I'm gonna have coconut Alpro, frozen fruits, obviously a protein shake. I haven't got any chia seeds. We need to basically go shopping, so the extra protein would have come from the chia seeds, however you want to call it. I've just like moved you out of the shop because yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. We have both of our Christmas trees up because we've got 2, how bougie. There's only 8 weeks until me and Lim go to the Philippines, which is also crazy because when you say March, that's when we're going. I always think, well, oh, it's January, we've got 3 months, but actually we're going at the beginning of March, so we've only got 8 weeks. Literally 8 weeks yesterday. So I need to get my ass into gear, we need to get fit, we need to get back to it, and I thought I'd document. I'm gonna do like a weekly upload. I'm just gonna film like once a week, vlogging, and then there'll be like another video as well. So hopefully I'll do like 2 uploads a week. There might be a sneaky 3rd one in there every now and then, but I'm gonna document like what food I'm gonna be eating, all that kind of stuff, so that when I do release the guide, people are gonna have like a video series to go back and see what kind of things I was eating and that kind of thing, just as like a little some inspiration for meals and that kind of thing.
They swole for that grip, 10 toes till they swole.
So this is what we're looking at for brekkie. 9 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat and 29 grams of protein. This is my goal intake. I might actually change it next week. I'm just going to see how I go with this. I'm doing 1600 per day and my protein goal is 133 grams of protein per day. So I'm just going to see how I go for the next week, and then I might up it, or I'm not gonna lower that because that's quite low anyway. I might up it just depending on how my workout's going and stuff. Let's go. done. Just done a leg session. So day 2 of the 8-week program is complete. And oh my god, my legs are literally like jelly. I added a couple of things that weren't actually in the plan. And I didn't.
Did you know? That's why.
Yeah, like the burner. I added a little burner, not too much of a big burner, just a little burner at the end. And we also did calves as well because I didn't actually add that into the plan, which was a bit silly of me. What did you think of the workout, Liam?
Intense. It was absolutely intense. It was hard work. But I don't really do my legs usually because I'm lazy, so it was... And
also Liam's got a bit of a dodgy knee, so we had to like adapt some of the stuff, didn't we?
Yeah, a little bit.
Because obviously you need to build your strength in your legs to support your knee.
It's good.
But anyway, yeah, it was really good. Do we need to go to the shop, by the way?
I don't know, you tell me.
Because I don't think we have any vegan stuff.
We've got non-vegan stuff. What are you saying?
No, I mean, like as in vegan meat replacements, not that we eat meat. Do you get me? Like in the freezer and stuff.
Which shop then?
Tesco?
Okay, let's go
Tesco.
Tesco.
I actually made like a little bit of a list yesterday. Lettuce, tomatoes, vegan corn fillets, green lentils, black eyed beans, bulgur wheat, quinoa.
We've got quinoa, I've got loads.
No, but I wanted to get, you know, for my soup mix, I got a specific like bulgur wheat quinoa mix.
Okay.
I filmed some of the leg workout today, but my memory card cut out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create like a cute little PDF leg workout that you can download and then take to the gym yourself and work from the leg workout. And if you want that, then it's gonna be in the description. So click on the link in the description and then you can get your free download with a crazy intense leg workout. It's gonna be a killer.
Tomatoes.
Okay, we're back from the shop. I've just made some homemade soup. It's similar to the one that I made the other day that I posted on my Instagram. And then we got some wild mushrooms. We've not actually had these before. They're just like the Tesco's finest ones, so hopefully they'll be nice. And we're just gonna put them on top of the soup. So we're just gonna have like a bowl full each of this soup. And I'll put the macros to this soup on the screen now. Hello, it's now the next morning. I forgot to end the vlog like yesterday. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I thought I'd include a little bit of a workout, but obviously I didn't include the whole thing. So if you want to download the PDF, the link will be in the description for you to download a heavy leg session. It's intense, but it was really fun because it was quite different to what I normally do, and it includes some supersets in there and triceps as well to really help you progress in your training. Obviously it's also a sneak peek of what the plan may be like when I release it. So yeah, definitely download that if you are looking for like some leg day inspiration. And also leave me a little comment below. Let me know what you actually want to see from these vlogs. Do you want me to film more workouts? Do you want me to do some more like at-home workout stuff? Because I know everyone can't get to the gym, so that might be also quite useful as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!